Hi, writers. Good to see you out there. So as poets, we discover ideas from everyday conversations. This week's activity is going to give us practice as keen observers and listeners, because we're going to be writing poetry from conversations around us. You might discover some inspiration from listening to people talk online or on their cell phone, or noticing words during a TV show or a podcast that you listen to. Maybe you're listening in on the conversations just around your house. If you're out and about at a safe distance, maybe you hear at the store that conversation between the clerk and the customer, or you are keenly observing and listening to the kids playing next door in the yard. Eavesdrop poetry is all about capturing the sounds and the ideas that are expressed in conversations. So we're going to listen in really closely on those spoken thoughts of others. As we do, we're going to be wondering about what those words make us feel, or those conversations, what they make us think about. It might make us wonder about, if we jumped into that conversation, how would we respond? Or what's not being said that should be said? So we're going to take a look, we're going to take a listen to Eavesdrop poetry this week. Again, we're set up with a brainstorm section, getting you to think about where do you maybe find some of those conversations online and social media, maybe expressed in an email to you, like the conversation sent to you from your school or your teacher. Maybe that email sent to your parents that reminds you that you really are going to need to come clean out your locker on the clean out locker days because they've been finding peanut butter sandwiches left over from March. Maybe it is a conversation that you eavesdrop and listen in on in your community. Again, the kid next door mowing his lawn, talking to mom while he's mowing the lawn, or the guy carrying groceries into his house, lugging them upstairs to his apartment. There's conversation all around us. And of course, in your home, think about those conversations among your siblings, or from parent to child, or with other grandparents or people that you live with. In the middle part, we have some thinking about what you might pull from each of those conversations. What are those threads or those pieces, those snippets of conversations that you might pull from and use to respond to? And the third part of our lesson and activity is giving you some samples of Eavesdrop poems. One of my favorites is from a teacher who took the first line of several emails, and she took the first line of several emails and threaded them all together into one crafted poem. She's listening very carefully to those voices around her, to those voices in those emails as they expressed worry and concern about being in our current pandemic. Good luck with your writing this week. We're going to be listening very closely to you as you share back your poems, and I wish you a great writing day. Take care, everybody.